Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zainab from CID News Network Islamabad. Today's headlines: from monthly book recommendation to endorsing his favorite television show, Prime Minister Imran Khan takes out the time from his busy schedule to share his insights, particularly youth. Foreign Office spokesperson Zahid Hafiz Chaudhry has said that there are no institutionalized forced conversion in the country. Sindh police have launched a WhatsApp number for citizens to shoot and share videos of aerial firing on New Year's Eve so law enforcers can take action against the violators of ban on celebrating fire. The higher authorities of Sindh police decided to roll out a modern system for officers and personnel to mark attendance through the mobile app. The U.S. State Department has approved the potential sale of 3,000 precision-guided munitions to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in a deal valued at up of $219 billion. Talks between China and India have yet to make headway to end a standoff on a disputed section of their Himalayan border. India's defense minister said that as of our troops from both sides forced a freezing winter in the mountains. A National Accountability Bureau team left with parliamentary leader of the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz in the National Assembly. Some enraged liars slapped in the courtroom the two teenage boys involved in a case of necrophilia and murder of minor girl before a judicial magistrate granted the suspect 4-day physical remand to police. A moderate earthquake hit several districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. A new variant of the novel coronavirus does not appear to cause more severe illness than another variants. When we review the year 2020, nothing can overshadow the impact of coronavirus pandemic and the devastation it brought on, both in terms of deaths and economic depravity. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.